Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today I'll help you change a bathroom light bulb if it's blown. As you can see here, the bulb on the left hand side is not working. Light bulbs on bathroom ceilings should be in an enclosed cover, especially if you've got one directly above a shower unit. If you've got any exposed bulbs without a cover, that's pretty dangerous because in a humid atmosphere in a bathroom it will tend to corrode the contacts, and if you get any water on it, obviously there's a risk of electrical shock or shorting everything out. So if you're particularly concerned about that, I would contact your local electrician. These ones in this bathroom are in a glass dome. Make sure that the light switch is off. Make sure you've got something safe to stand on, either a stepladder or a sturdy chair. And with these particular glass dome units, these unscrew. So get a good firm grip and then unscrew it anti-clockwise. This is a glass dome, yours may be plastic. Just keep turning it. Get a good grip on it and then just lower it down. You can see the thread there, and that is the bulb there. Obviously all modern bulbs are LED, and now this will be a screw thread type bulb in your bathroom. It's unlikely to be a bayonet fitting where you push it up and turn it anti-clockwise to release it. So just keep turning that until it removes. Now I'm going to go to my pack of light bulbs here. Brilliant. I've just noticed in the top left 6 candles, not 4 candles. No, 4 candles, handles for forks. This is an E27 bulb for this one. This is a standard size for most ceilings. Obviously there's lots of different wattages. The higher the wattage, the brighter the bulb will be. So if you install it and it's not bright enough, just get one with a higher wattage. Right, let's install the bulb. Make sure the contacts are good. Make sure that the light switch is off. And just gently offer it up. Nice and parallel. And then just screw it in clockwise. As soon as it starts tightening up at the end, that's enough. Don't go crazy with it. Not too tight. Don't go crazy. I'm just going to test it before I put the glass dome back on. Fantastic. These aren't actually flickering in real life, that's just the frame rate on the camera. You can see the thread there on the glass dome. So just offer that up over the light bulb. Nice and flat and parallel, and then you're just screwing that in clockwise. Fantastic. And I'll tell you what, even that simple job has made me thirsty. It's definitely time for a lovely cup of tea. In the top right, how to remove mould from silicone without any scrubbing. In the top left, how to replace a toilet handle flush lever. And in the bottom left, how to install a round toilet seat. I hope that was useful.